How to create a project in Asana. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Asana. From the home page, make sure that you are on the Projects section. Once you are there, click on the New Project option at the bottom right. As soon as you do that, this page will open up, from which you will be able to create the project. So let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and add a project name. After that, choose the project layout, whether you want a list or a board. After that, select the privacy, whether you want it to be public or private. Once you are done, click on Create at the bottom right. As soon as you do that, the project will be created. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to create a project in Asana. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.